This is flowing water, a standing sequence to lift your energy, strengthen your concentration, and develop your flowing moves. Lengthen your extensions, open your hearts. Move with calmness, grace, and poise. The mountain lift is the first position, getting our posture, spine aligned, feet firmly planted, chin tucked. Arms by the sides, and let's gently extend the arms forward and lift them up towards the skies and hold them there whilst we feel the spine lengthen, the feet grounding. Feel the energy and breath flow from the feet to the tips of the fingers. Keep the abdomen braced and the chin tucked. Breathe deeply and with awareness, waking us up and preparing us for the standing sequence. Lower the arms and let's flow into extended mountain. Breathing in, balance as you rise up to the toes. Lift. Breathing out, return to the start. Do that twice more, coordinating your breath with your movements and choosing to be on your toes or flat-footed, keeping your mind focused on the breath and movement coordination. We will balance as we rise up to the toes, breathing in, lift the arms, breathing out, return back to the start. Let's repeat that a few times. Balance and lift, breathe out to return. Next, bend your knees and sink into the powerful pose. Sink the legs and keep them sunken as the arms stretch forward. There are 3 different arm patterns: straight forward, overhead, or palm press. Rise up and relax the arms down to the side. Let's take the triangle stretch by opening our legs wide and parallel as comfortable. Turn your right foot to the side or keep them forward like and. Stretch the arms out strongly, shoulder height. Breathe in. Shunt your hips to the left and sink your right arm down to your right leg, lifting your left arm up where comfortable. Keep the body facing forward, a very classical position to open the side body. Each time you breathe out, release further to the right side, touching the floor, your ankle, or your right shin. To come out of it, pull up strongly, breathe in, release to the center, then change over to the other side. Again, stretch the arms out strongly to the sides, breathe in, breathing out, stretch over to the left, then sink to the left, shunting the hips to the right. Place your hands on your shin, ankle, or on the ground, extending the right side of the body upwards. You can turn your head to look at your right hand, or just look forward. Feel strong, and then come up, return to the start, and bring the feet together. Soften, then open the legs to hip width apart for the standing abdominal brace. This is a counter move for the triangle where we bend forward, bending our legs. We breathe strongly, utilizing that abdominal brace as we breathe out. When our abdominal center is strong, we feel strong within ourselves. Practice your deep, slow breathing with abdominal brace. One more. Good. Straighten up. Bring the feet closer together for a short, powerful position again. Sink down. Stretch the arms forward or near your ears. Feeling the power in your thighs, buttocks and abdomen. Keep the tummy firm. Long, slow breathing. Coming up, straighten up. Release the arms down to the sides. And we'll go into a flow pattern now, starting with Hero 2. Spread the legs wide apart. Turn the right foot to the side and bend the right knee over your right ankle. Pelvis forward, hips open. Extend the arms to the sides to the fingertips, keeping the shoulders down and the chest broad in Hero 2. Look to your right, focus outward from the middle finger, sink and breathe deeply, strength and power and energy. Go into the extended triangle by leaning to your right. Then take your left arm up and overhead where comfortable. Try to get the left side aligned in a straight line, in a diagonal line, from fingertip to heel. Keep the armpits open and the pelvis upright, and then return to Hero 2 briefly. Return to the start, center, then take the left leg open. Take the Hero 2 to the left side, stretching the arms out comfortably to the side, then extend the gaze, turning your head to look over your left arm. Be aware not to push into the next move, the extended triangle. Keep your own level. Your mind may want to extend more deeply. Be aware that your body may not yet be ready. In yoga, we always remain within our center. Feel a long line of energy flow unimpeded. Then come back to the Hero 2 calmly. And return to the start. Bring your feet together, stand quietly, and prepare for the half forward bend. Hands on your waist or hips, breathe in, keeping the posture long. Breathing out, bend from your hips. You can keep your knees soft or bent, but maintain the abdominal brace and the natural curve of the lower back. This is a counter stretch for the previous strong postures. Good. Come up slowly, release, and prepare for the single leg balance, the tree. Feet together in the standing mountain position. Balance on your left leg and take your right leg to the side in either an ankle touch or take the foot against the left thigh. Hands at the center of the chest, press together or stretched out like the growing branches of a tree, or pressing the palms overhead, lifting the energy up and up. If you're experiencing difficulty holding your balance, start by holding onto a wall or choose the toe touch level. Be firm in your base but open and tall like a tree. Keep within your center. Relax and soften the legs, give them a shake. Let's do the other side. Calmly going through the different levels. Maintaining your center, not moving forward or backward. Stillness without rigidity. Mental calmness, upliftment of your energy. Long, slow, deep breathing. Good. Release the arms down, return to the start, and take another powerful sinking down. Extend the arms forward or overhead. Feel the power in your thighs, buttocks, and abdomen. Rise up, breathing. Breathing out, release to the start. Next we come to another flow pattern, Hero 1, 3 and 1. Wide legs, stance, and turn both feet to your right this time, bending your right leg or right knee over your right heel. Make sure your pelvis is square. Extend the arms forward and stretch them up overhead, palms together or apart. Make sure your back foot is turned in about 40 degrees, knee over ankle. Extend up from your pelvis and breathe deeply to open the heart. Be steady and strong with effortless strength. And excellent posture to maintain courage and inner strength. From here, lean forward. Extend your left leg backwards or lift it entirely off the floor for Hero 3. A challenging posture, so choose your level comfortably. Aim to keep your stance legs straight and your body and your lifted leg in a straight line. Only lean forward comfortably. Return to Hero 1 for a breath. Then release the arms. Return to the front, center. Let's do it on the left side. Turn completely to the left, sink your left knee over your left ankle. Breathe deeply. Flow the arms forward and then up overhead, arms apart or together. Be steady. Feel your inner strength. For Hero 3, lean forward again, balance, and stretch your right leg back where comfortable. This is a strength move, so feel the strength in your backs and hips, and maintain your balance and your level. Return to Hero 1 for a breath. And return to the start. Soften and draw the feet together. A counter move to the previous postures is the forward bend. Stretch the arms up, then fold forward, bending from your hips. Hands to your thighs, touching the floor or behind the legs. Relax the back of the head and neck and keep the spine long. Keep the abdomen braced and let your mind rest on the breath. Come up slowly if you feel dizzy, or bend your knees if necessary to come up, keeping the back straight and the abdominals braced. Take a big Namaste Anjali overhead. Go within and then relax to the start. We will finish this section with a big Namaste overhead. Circle the arms to the sides, draw the energy inwards, and then pause in quiet reflection to the sound of flowing water.